Craze to Code. Today I am going to teach you what are identifiers in Java. I will also be teaching you the rules for naming identifiers in Java. So without wasting any time, let's get started. What is an identifier? Identifiers are the names of methods, interface, package, constants, variables and classes. See, in human terminology we call an identifier as a name, but then in Java, name is an identifier. Now, you might be wondering what does this method, interface, package, constant, variable and classes mean? We'll look at that in the next slide. Definition of the terms. We all know what a class means. It's a blueprint from which objects are created. I've already mentioned this in a previous video. I've also mentioned what a method means in a previous video. It's basically a collection of statements that are grouped together to perform an operation. Now comes the new one, which is very easy to learn. It is interface. An interface specifies a behavior that all classes must have. I would say this is the easiest of the lot. Then comes variables. When a Java program is running, a variable contains a value that I have already mentioned in the Java program. The next one is constant. A constant is a variable whose value cannot be changed once assigned. It's the exact same meaning as the mathematical term. All the numbers in math are basically constants. The next one is packages. This one is the most important one out of the lot. A package is basically a collection of classes, subpackages and interfaces. See, it's very simple to understand. Let's move on to the next slide. Rules for naming identifiers in Java. First one is class. A class should start with a capital letter and should be a noun. I have already mentioned this in previous videos. Example is car, code. Method. The method name should start with a lowercase letter and should be a verb. Example is run, calculate. On to the third one, variable. A variable name should start with a lowercase letter and should not start with a $sign or an underscore. Example will be name, street and car. On to the next one, interface. An interface name should start with a capital letter and should be an adjective. Examples are runnable and fun. Now the fifth one is package. All package names should start with lowercase letters. Examples are util, lang and java. Last but not least, constants. It should be completely in uppercase letters. Example is Craze to Code. One more thing to note is that all constant names should have underscores instead of spaces. Now let's summarize what we learned today. Today we learned three things, and those are what is an identifier, definitions of a few terms and rules for naming identifiers in Java. Now, if you like this video, it wouldn't hurt to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell so that you stay notified at all times. Comment down below any ideas for future videos. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.